When Fred first called us about his leaking roof and told us about the 13 years of rubberized paint and patchwork that he has been doing, I knew it was going to be a challenge. After about 9 days, we removed all the rubberized paint and patchwork and did some crack repair on the roof. Then we changed the profile of the entire roof so that all the water wasn't pooling in low spots and drained to the drains properly. Then we resurfaced the entire roof with the self-leveling cement and gave it a fresh coat of rubberized paint to waterproof it. Good morning, guys. Just a little update on this roofing job we're working on. First of all, the view is incredible. Check it out. Amazing. So we finished all the prep. We got about 13 years of rubber paint off the roof. We've run our lines to get the slopes properly to the drains. We've moved solar panels. And now we're getting ready to mix the cement this afternoon, and we're gonna fill in the low spots first, and then tomorrow and Thursday we're gonna do the finish coat on hopefully half of the roof. This should take us about 3-4 days. It's about 3,000 square feet, and we're using level floor by True Rapid Set. So stay tuned, check it out.
We found ACS on Facebook, saw that they had done some work for some people around Portola, and also that they had worked at the Cooper Island Beach Club, and saw them running back and forth every day. It's hard to get people to work over on Cooper Island, on the out islands, and it seemed like Nathan and his crew were familiar with what was going on Cooper Island, and we'd heard good things about their work, so we decided to see if they could do what we needed to have done here. We had 30 solar panels on the roof, and they were ripped off during IRMA, along with quite a bit of damage to the roof at the time. It's a concrete roof, had a rough surface. It's been painted over and over again over the years, and it's suffered degradation during the storm and was leaking. So we decided that ACS might be able to help us, and we talked to Nathan about doing that, and he had a plan to fix the roof for us. So they've been working on it now for a while. They stripped all the old paint off with what they call a scarifier, and that basically ground it down to the old concrete, so we had a bare concrete surface. And then they cleaned that up and primed it with a primer. They leveled it with fresh leveling concrete with slopes to the drain, because this is the main source for our water. And they're in the process now of re-cementing the roof, and then we'll paint it with a waterproof paint in order to get it to first of all not to leak, and second of all to collect the water we need.